What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Polygon Matic.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you that we are still in the storm right after the FTX collapse. And at the end of this video I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you that Polygon right now bounced off for the very strong range of support and probably it might hit higher targets. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, somewhere at this point, and I've told you that because of the structure of this movement, I noticed that probably we might see some decrease in price of Polygon, and definitely the major catalyst for the entire industry right now is Bitcoin price action. And Bitcoin follows the news of FTX collapse. And I have to say that we are not out of the woods from the FTX disaster, and definitely all of these news drive the price of entire crypto industry lower. And on my previous video I've told you that we might land at the ranges of previous swing lows, and definitely the first range was right here at 77.2 cents. Next one was next swing low at 71.43 cents, and the further we are going the more ranges we have, and the crucial point for this asset becomes at roughly 60 cents mark. So we had very first bounce. As you can see, we bounced very good from this range of about $77.8, 77.5 or 77.8, and definitely we have very good movement to the upside. But is it enough to make a conclusion that this asset might go higher? I don't think so, and I will show you my assumption in just several minutes. And for now, let's continue with the general crypto news. So we are sitting at $837.95 billion. It is a small increase of 1.73% over the last day. And as you can see, on a 7 days period, we are pretty much moving sideways. And definitely these numbers reflect the bounce from the range of support for major crypto coins. As you can see, Bitcoin bounces from its lowest point right here, Ethereum bounced from this point, and we have decent movement to the upside that pretty much eliminates this downtrend. Short-term downtrend. But definitely we have to take a closer look on the FTX news and on the news directly related to the potential wave of bankruptcies. And let's continue with the Polygon numbers. For now, it has a total market cap of $7.53 billion. It is a small increase of 0.69% over the last day. And the total tradable volume is $470.47 million. It is 31% lower than it was previously. And definitely this decrease in volume during this movement to the upside shows that we have just a technical bounce that reflects the entire crypto market behavior. And definitely because of this movement we have to be very cautious with any of our position. So, and let's continue with the news directly related to the FTX disaster. So, right here on Reuters.com we have this article that is titled "Global Regulators to Target Crypto Platforms After FTX Crash." And definitely when we can see the major crash of the second largest crypto exchange, definitely we have to see more regulations in this industry. And we have to see more strict rules related to crypto coins, because we should prevent this type of events that might damage a lot of people. And let me show you that the crypto brokerage Genesis is set to warn of bankruptcy without funding. And key bullets are following. Genesis executives spent weekend seeking to line up financing. Genesis lending unit suspended withdrawals after FTX collapse. And let me show you that they are hire a new person. Right here on the New York Times we have this article that was published on November 22nd, and it says Genesis, the troubled crypto lender, hires a restructuring advisor. And what should we expect from this move? Genesis Global Capital, the troubled crypto lender, has hired the investment bank Moyles & Company to explore options, including a potential bankruptcy. 3 people familiar with situation said. The people who requested anonymity because the process is confidential stressed that no final decisions had been made and that it was still possible for company to avert a bankruptcy filing. And definitely, until we won't see any relief in this situation, we have to see more clarity, we have to see the decision, because the uncertainty is the worst what can happen to the market, and because of the uncertainty we have very low volume of interest from potential investors, and we have a lot of fears that drive the market down. And I have to say that we have quite bullish news. One of the major so-called influencers on the crypto market, Chapeng Zhao, just said this in an interview with Bloomberg. And let me quote you his direct speech. Whenever one big player goes down, especially a trading platform, there are many people and institutions with money on the platform. We have seen Genesis halting withdrawals. Probably there will be 1 or 2 more. However, the cascading effect will become smaller. Overall, the industry is fine. And definitely, Chapeng Zhao is very bullish on crypto industry in general, but he realizes that the latest news might start the domino effect from one crypto exchange to another. And because of this, we have to be very cautious with any of our position, because nobody knows what will be the resolution of Genesis problem and what should we expect next from other minor crypto companies. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I have to say that this asset, if I add the Bitcoin price action on this price chart, as you can see, Polygon is mimicking the Bitcoin price action for 100%. And Bitcoin hit its basically lowest point, as you can see right here, at 15,000, about $15.684,000, and it bounced off this range. And right now we are hovering exactly at the range where we were previously, and because of this we are pretty much neutral for every coin that is on the market right now. And what should we expect next? Definitely we have again the ranges of support and resistances, and let me turn off the Bitcoin price action. We still have this range of about 77 cents as the range of support, slightly above this level. And if this asset breaks this range, definitely next major range of support might be even at 70.4 cents. That is the lowest point right here from September 22nd. And overall, let me switch to Bitcoin price chart. I have to say that Bitcoin is not so bullish. If I show you the 4 hours time frame, let me show you right here that we are still in downtrend, and we are at the lowest point for the entire month, and because of this we have to break some major resistances or supports in order to confirm the trend. And in my opinion, we are still on the bearish side, and if it is the case, definitely we should land somewhere in the ranges in between $14,000 and even $12,000 mark. But right now we have to take a closer look on this range of support at roughly $15,500. And let me switch again to Polygon price action. Right here we have several ranges where we might land if Bitcoin will go lower, and definitely it is the ranges at the price points of roughly 16.6 cents all the way down to 55 cents and 45 cents as well. And if you want to catch the trade, I don't think that you can enter your long position right now, because we have to see more clarity in the FTX disaster and in the potential bankruptcy of Genesis. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live.